What's the meaning of badlands? Badlands. Badlands.
Badlands. Badlands. The term badlands refers to a type of terrain characterized by eroded, barren hills and gullies that are difficult to traverse. Such areas typically consist of soft sedimentary rock formations that have been subjected to years of erosion from wind and water, resulting in an inhospitable landscape. The term was originally used to describe the rugged terrain found in the American West, but has since been applied to similar landscapes around the world. Despite the harsh conditions, badlands can be visually stunning, with their intricate patterns and vivid colors. Some badlands also contain important geological or archaeological features, making them valuable research sites.